Ouch.
السلام عليكم.
Yeah, let's just wait for Brother Kibri. I tried to do the screen sharing. It's not working. Still not working. So okay, Assalamu alaikum. I tried to do the screen sharing. It's not working. So what I'll do, I'll just do on the whiteboard again. Okay. We're gonna do the practical reading. So from practical reading, there are 16 ways. There are 16 different sounds a letter can make. Okay. So imagine alif. Alif, if he has a fatha, if he's got a kasra, if he's got a dhamma. So normally people, what they do, a lot is common in Asian countries. Shazil. Okay. Okay. Normally, what happens? It's very common. We make unnecessary stretching. Okay. I'm gonna show it to you in the Quran. It is very common, but remember, Quran is the full Quran. Majority of the Quran, we don't stretch. We read it flat. We only stretch where we have to stretch, where there is a stretching rule. What people normally do, they're stretching everything. So they're reading like they just stretching everything. No, Quran is normal. Quran is like this, and then you stretch where you have to stretch, then you read. Then you stretch, you have to stretch. You stretch where you have to stretch, and that's it. We don't just keep going up and down, up and down. Okay, now we have alif fatha, alif kasra, alif dhamma. We don't make this long at all. Then we have alif 2 kasra, alif 2 fatha, and alif 2 dhamma. Okay, let's just focus on these 6 today. We can do the stretching. Next week we'll do the stretching ones. So the 6 places we never make long. Okay, never ever. Okay, the 6 places are alif with 1 fatha. We don't say never. Okay, if we keep making those mistakes, we practice, take a small chunk from the Quran, practice it, try to read it without stretching. Alif with one kasra, we don't make it long. Alif with one dhamma, we don't make it long at all. With two fatha, never. Two kasra, never. Two dhamma, never. Okay, let me just go to the Quran and let me just show you practically, and then it becomes easier. Okay. Okay. Now, normally, imagine I'm reading this verse, yeah? Imagine I'm reading this verse here. وَجَعَلْنَا, that's the only part I'm going to make long. Okay, because, actually, no. Let me, this is a bit complicated. Let me just go to, yeah. Let's do this one. Can everyone see my screen? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now, if we do this one, وَخَلَقْنَاكُمْ. Now, وَخَلَقْنَاكُمْ. Normally you have people, some people, وَخَلَقْنَاكُمْ أَزْوَاجًا. They make everything long. No, we never make this long. We don't make this long. We don't make this long. Yes, we do make the red one long, but we'll do this rule tomorrow, inshallah, next Wednesday, inshallah. Then we come back to the blue again. Blue means we don't make it long. We don't make it long. We don't. And then we do. And then we do. So can you remember I told you majority of the Quran we don't make long. Okay, we read it nice and steady. We only go, look, وَخَلَقْنَاكُمْ kum azwa. We don't say وَخَلَقْنَاكُمْ أَزْوَاجًا. So we have to know the places. So there are 6 places we never make them long. Making them long changes the niceness of the Quran, changes the meaning, consequences after consequences. And there are 6 places we have to make them long. Okay, we will do those 6 places in the next session, inshallah. So today's session is the 6 places we never ever make long. Those are 1 fatha, 1 kasra, 1 dhamma, 2 fatha, an, 2 kasra, in, 2 dhamma, un. So a, i, u, an, in, un. Please, these 6 places. Now, from today, inshallah, when we start reading Quran, Surah Fatiha or Surah Yasin, every time we see 1 fatha, I'm not going to make it long. Okay, so concentrate on 1 fatha for the whole day. So everyone's homework for Thursday is anytime we see 1 fatha, we'll try not to make it long at all. Friday, we'll do 1 kasra. Saturday, we'll concentrate on 1 dhamma. Sunday, 2 fatha. Monday, 2 kasra. Tuesday, 2 dhamma. So by next lesson, we've practiced 6 harakat, 6 way of reading, but without stretching, strictly no stretching. So when you come on Wednesday, you've mastered these 6 harakat, and then we can move on to the 6, those 6 which we make long. Okay, they are called madda, stretching. And then you can go and master them, do one rule each day. So Monday you've got 1, Tuesday you've got 1, like that. So when you come on Wednesday, you mastered those 6 rules as well. And then we've only got another 4 left. Yeah, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Those are very easy. We can do those on the last session, inshallah. Okay, for today, I'm done. Let me just do a quick recap on what I've done today's lesson. First, we've done virtues of reading Quran. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, each letter you get 1 reward, and Allah multiplies it by 10. But special times like Ramadan and all that, it'll get multiplied more, 70 times, 100 times, or adhafan kathira. He says adhafan kathira in a hadith. It means countless times. Okay, so but you only get the reward if you read the Quran the way Quran was revealed to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Okay, if you just mess everything up and you just stretch in anywhere, you don't know the rule, you are not reading Quran, applying according to the rule, then the Quran turns around and it doesn't become a virtue for you, it becomes a curse for you. Okay, Quran curses you. Allah save all of us from Quran cursing us. Okay, then we done makharij. We done the makharij of halq. Okay, the bottom part of our throat, closer, the bottom part closer to our lungs, hamza and ha, ha. We feel there's some vibration there. And then if there's a ayn and ha, let me just do. So hamza, sorry, hamza and ha, it comes from the bottom part of the throat. Ayn and ha, it comes from the middle. Okay, they so easily they get mixed up. Okay, if you make ayn too strong, it goes down. It becomes a hamza. If you make this ha, which is soft, if you make it too strong, it becomes this ha, changes the meaning. And the top part of the throat there, next to our tongue, is ghayn and kha. So if you read غير المغضوب, do you know when you read غير المغضوب in salah, gha, you can feel it. There's some vibration at the top of your end of your tongue and beginning of your throat. There's some type of vibration. So you can see the letter is coming, it's getting pronounced from there. Okay, and after that we done the 3 stretching letters, alif, waw, and ya. Those makharij are going to become more clear in the next session when we do the 6 places where we stretch. Okay, and then we done mim shadda, mim with a shadda. Shadda is this sign. Shadda is this sign. It's like a W, and sakin is like this. Okay, shadda, you read the letter 2 times. Sakin, you only read it once. So shadda, if a mim and a nun has a shadda, we have to take the sound to our nose. Okay, it's called gunna. I've showed it to you in the example in Surah Amma Yatasa, Amma. You can see my both lips joining, but then there's a sound in my nose as well. So we done the makharij. Practical reading, we done, I'm going to finish 2 minutes, just give me 2 minutes. Practical reading, we done fatha, kasra, damma, 2 fatha, 2 kasra, 2 damma. We never make them long at all. We have to read them clear and fast. A, I, U, an, in, un. Yeah. Inshallah, everyone practice whatever we done in this lesson and make dua for me, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Stay safe. And is there any questions?
Yeah, assalamu alaikum. I was going to ask, basically, is there going to be any point during any of the models that we're going to like recite or something like that?
Yes. We're going to start reciting. I just want everyone's makhraj to be on point. As soon as everyone, the thing is with this Khayr Academy, we don't know what level everyone's in. So you might be very good at reading, but because I didn't test everyone, so so this is like a universal lesson for everyone, beginners, advanced, everyone. So if you are a beginner, you might find it a bit boring, or you know everything from before, but you just brush everything up. Most likely this first module we're not going to read any practical Quran, because I just want everyone's makharij, everyone to know where the letter comes from. Because I don't want to start reading Quran, then people are making bad mistakes. Okay. Once we know exact places where the makharij are coming from, then we can slowly start reading Quran. Okay. Very basic Quran, and then on the go we can learn the full mouth letters, ta and ta, how to make full mouth letters. So if a qaf has a sakin, you have to do qalqala, you have to bounce your voice like qul a'udhu bi rabbil falaq, like that. Then that's on the go, we can do that. But my main thing is I want everyone's makharij to be strong, and then inshallah we'll start reading Quran. And then by the end of module 4, okay, everyone should read the last 10 surahs to me. Okay, that's the maximum I want to teach everyone, the last 10 surahs. So when you read salah, you know your salah is correct 100%, and you get full reward and I get full reward as well. Okay. And then in the future, if you want to do some other Quran reading, I don't mind listening to you here and there, or you can go to your local imam, or if you have any family members, sibling who's done Quran properly, you can read to them. But my main thing is I'm going to go through the whole Tajweed book with you. This is a Tajweed book. I'm following Tajweed step by step, but this is 20 lessons, but I have to take these 20 lessons into 16 lessons. So that's why it is going to be a bit not rushy. I'm not going to rush through it, but I'm going to try to do as many rules as I can at the beginning, and the last few sessions I'm going to try to do it practical. Okay, that's it, inshallah. And that's it. Any other questions?
No, that's fine. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.
Okay, assalamu alaikum. Brother Kibriya, Brother Fahim, any questions?
No, Jazakallah.
Okay, Jazakallah. Okay, practice.
No, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
Okay, practice one rule a day and one fatha, one kasra, one dhamma, 3 days, two kasra, two dhamma, two fatha, two dhamma, two kasra, another 3 days, and master those. Anytime you see one fatha, I'm never going to make it long. Okay, and inshallah by next lesson we'll go to the next subject. Okay, assalamu alaikum.